fun playing with Vanna. Yeah, you and Vanna make a good pair.
She goes to the dog park and she makes everybody play. Yeah, and she gets everybody in trouble in places like that.
Is that the only dog you have?
No, I have another one. And a cat. Actually, I'm down to 2 dogs and a cat. So.
Well, I've got the perfect dog to go with that one for
Well,
you.
I don't need another one.
This little rescue, and she is white, probably a American Shepherd.
Really?
And white with a little dark spots on her. She's got a little longer coat than that.
Yeah.
She's a little bigger. She's got bigger coat.
She was a cruelty sick. Somebody tied her to the back of a car and drove down the street.
Oh,
Ripped the pads off her feet and ripped her nails out. But yet on the medical report it said disposition sweet. Somebody just drove her down the street and she's still sweet. So when I saw that, I wasn't looking for you.